Hey everyone, welcome back to Comfy Eating. Before we jump into today's recipe, let me share a little story about why chicken shorba holds a special place in our hearts. Growing up, this dish was always a comfort food for me during the rainy season. Whenever the skies would darken and the first drops of rain would hit, my mother would start preparing chicken shorba. The aroma of the spices mixed with the sound of rain outside always felt like home. Fast forward to after I got married. My wife and I were looking for something simple yet hearty to make on a rainy evening. I suggested chicken shorba, hoping it would bring back those warm memories. To my surprise, my wife had never made it before, so we decided to cook it together. We fumbled a bit in the beginning, but soon the kitchen was filled with the same familiar smells from my childhood. Since then, this recipe has become our go to comfort food on cozy, rainy days. It's more than just a dish, it's a reminder of family, love, and the little moments we share over a warm bowl of soup. So today, I'm excited to share this special recipe with you in the hope that it brings the same comfort and warmth to your home as it does to ours. Now you might be wondering who is narrating the story. Today is a special day. It's our anniversary, and I wanted to surprise my amazing wife by stepping in for the voiceover. I'm doing this to not only celebrate our relationship but also to send a message about something close to my heart: respect for women, gender equality, and women empowerment. As men, we need to recognize the strength, dedication, and talent that women, like my wife, bring into our lives. Whether it's through their careers, creativity, or the everyday tasks that often go unnoticed, women play a vital role in shaping who we are as individuals and as a community. It's time we honor that, not just in words, but in our actions too. This chicken shorba recipe is delicious, but today's video isn't just about food. It's about standing beside the women in our lives. I encourage all the men watching to take a moment and think about how you can support, uplift, and respect the women around you. Let's create a world where equality is not just an idea, but a reality, starting in our homes. And to all our viewers, thank you for your continued support. Your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions mean so much to us. If you have any questions about the recipe, feel free to drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Now, let's get into today's delicious chicken soba soup recipe. Quick, simple, and perfect for any day. Details are in the description, so be sure to check it out. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of the video. We truly appreciate your time and for embracing our message with an open heart. Your support means everything to us, and we'd love to hear your thoughts, not just on the recipe, but also on the conversation around gender equality and women empowerment. Please share your feedback in the comments, and we'd love to know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your continued support keeps us motivated, and we look forward to sharing more with you soon.